Singing Streets back in Liverpool, and we are at one of the most iconic locations in Beatle lore, John Lennon's childhood home, Mendips. He lived here from 1945 to 1963, so when he moved when he was 5 years old, when he was living with his mother Julia, his Aunt Mimi and Uncle George took him in and basically were his guardians for the next 15 years of his life. This is where Lennon lived during the entire time. It's just an iconic location. I've repeated that already, but I'm getting goosebumps just being here. I'm really excited, and we're about to go see Strawberry Fields around the corner. So here we are, where nothing is real and there's nothing to get hung about. Strawberry Fields. Strawberry Field. Singular, not plural. Where John Lennon used to play as a kid, inspired one of the greatest masterpieces of Western pop. And we've just actually learned that these aren't the real gates. These are replica gates, but the real gates are just within the grounds, and we might be able to check them out. So hold on a moment and we'll be right there. As promised, here are the original gates. I had no idea that they weren't the original gates the last time I came, but it makes sense. It's really nice to get these off of the street and off of the out of the wind. Well, it's not out of the wind and rain, never mind, but it is safer inside the gardens. It's been really meditative walking around Strawberry Field, and there are lots of inspirational quotes that from Lennon's lyrics. So it's been really meditative, beautiful, and a great way to spend an hour or so in Liverpool. We're really excited to have Singing Liverpool in the Singing Streets app. You can download it from the App Store and follow us on social media, on YouTube. Give us a follow, and we really appreciate it. But again, it's all for the love of music.